X-ray for X. And so that, and I think you only have two classes of sponges you need to know. Hexactinelda and this one, is Demospongiae. And that's like almost all sponges are in this class. And what body plan is this? This is leucon. What's this big hole there?
Spongiocele?
Osteum there. The ostea are little tiny holes every place. Medusa, that's kind of hard to see. See these things right here?
Frogs.
No?
I can't even see what that is.
Oh, they're the man of wars.
What class are they?
Oh, those are jellyfishes.
Cyphozoa.
No, this is a tricky one. It looks like it should be cyphozoa, but it's not a jellyfish, right? The airbag, it floats above it. So it's hydrozoa.
Zoa.
So you've got float, which is a residue from the medusa, and these things are the polyps, colony of polyps hanging off the bottom of this float. And these guys are definitely not what they should be. This is an old tide pool, which is all washed up. What class?
Class Anthozoa.
Anthozoa, okay. Common name, well, these are Anthozoa as well. These are sea anemones. I'll have to check my card, but I think you had to know both the local sea anemones, right? They were scientific names. The little one and the big one. Yeah, sound familiar to you? Yeah, so this is Anthopleura elegantissima. Here's one of the big ones, Anthopleura xanthogrammica. Got little colonial ones, big solitary ones. That's what it looks like when the tide goes out. Now, I don't know if this is the same exact crevice, but it looks kind of like it. They all fold their tentacles up and just look like little piles of sand. There's a xanthogrammica with its zooxanthellae doing their thing.
So they're known as the soft corals.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So the zooxanthellae are bioluminescent. And so, and this was in Morro Bay, right on the tide coast of Morro Bay, so I was kind of surprised to see one this dazzling, because most of them were just kind of greenish in color. But this one was putting on a show for some reason.
What is it?
It's the zooxanthellae and the coral.
Dinoflagellates, Spiraphyta.
Phylum Anthozoa, like the corals and stuff. That's the soft coral.
It's not that Teminal coral or whatever.
That's the hydrozoan. So what's this little thing right here?
Buddy.
Bud. Stony coral or hard coral, refilled coral, Anthozoa. What phylum?
Ctenophore.
Ctenophore. What are these things called?
Comb jellies.
Teams or comb rows? And what are these things called? Just tentacles. So the mouth is down here, and this is right there. What phylum?
What is planarian?
Phylum flatworm.
Phytominthes, yep. And what class?
Class flatworm.
That's what?
Flatworm.
No, that's the phylum. So these turbularians, trematodes, or cestades?
Turb.
The trematoda, the parasitic flatworms. Flukes.
Oh, this is a
Common name of
fluke.
this?
Sure.
Human liver fluke.
Oh.
Genus Glenorchis. And parts. What are these, this dark part right here? That's the uterus. This pink stuff back here,
The digestive tract.
testes.
Oh, that's testes.
These little
It has
brown
both.
dots on the sides. Yolk gland. Right here is the ovary. And then you've got two branch of the intestine here, here. Oral sucker, ventral sucker. That's pretty much all you can really, there's another gland, a shell gland or a Michaelis gland in there, but you can't really see it. What are those?
Stensor.
What?
Stensor.
Oh, no, you good guess though, it does look kind of like that. This is bigger than that.
So is that V1?
These are larvae of schistosoma, the blood fluke larvae.
Oh,
I guess
isn't
they could be liver fluke larvae as
It's
well.
not a fluke.
So these are cercaria. Free swimming ones that go and bore into fish or bore into you, depending on which genus it is.
So she has gene
You
recording.
can always tell them because they've got forked tail. So it's two branches on the tail. This is something you saw today? What genus?
Ascaris.
Nope, it's not Ascaris. Well, let's go to what phylum? What phylum are we looking at?
Phylum.
There's a phylum with Ascaris in it, which is
Phylum Nematoda.
Nematoda. Okay. And these are the ones that are encysted in the muscle, like pygmy. Trichinella, causes the disease trichinosis. And they don't really,
So this is the muscle of a different animal with the cyst.
yeah,
Of
this is
it?
like
Oh.
pygmy, I'm pretty sure pork, and they just slice it up and stain it. So that's why it doesn't like look like a worm, because the thing about the three-dimensional structure of it, it's balled up inside that cyst, and they just cut through it. So some of the slices are in cross section, some of them are in longitudinal section. So you get this little fragments that weren't visible at any one time. Another scolex, same structures as before. Another proglotid, just more light this time, but still you can't see it very well, same structures as before. So this one, you might get this on an overhead so we can see it better. What class? Was this parasitic or non-parasitic?
Non-parasitic.
It's a non-parasitic class, it's Frivolaria. And still plenty of Menthes, phylum, right? What are these little bumps on the side of the head called?
Oracles?
Oracles. And what are these?
Eyes.
Eye spots, not eyes. And what do the oracles do? What
Is
do they
it?
sense?
Hear. Sound.
That's what the name implies, but they can't hear. They smell and taste, they're chemosensors. And what do the eye spots do?
See.
Kind of. They can tell light from dark. They can't see. Cross section through a planaria. Figure out what's going on. Well, what's this thing? That's the obvious thing. That's the pharynx and its retractable tube. And these are the branches of the digestive tract here, and here. This is just called parenchyma tissue, sort of undifferentiated cells. This is the lower epidermis here, and there's a nerve cord there. I think there's a nerve cord here, but it's not very clear. And that's pretty much all you can really see on this. Something you saw today. Oh, maybe not. That's not what I thought it was. What is this? Saw this back when we were doing participants. So these are trypanosomes in the blood. This is what you saw one thing you saw today. You need this oriented properly. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is a cross section through a scarus slide, so you got uterus, intestine, oviduct, ovaries. I'm still not oriented right, but that's, because this is, one of this is top and one of these is bottom. You can't really tell because the intestine is squished over to the side. So anyway, this is the dorsal nerve cord, ventral nerve cord, the lateral line, the excretory system, mesodermal muscle cell, cuticle, and the epidermis or ectodermis. So that's something you have to be careful on this one, is that the outer layer, the outer layer is not epidermis, it's cuticle, and then epidermis, and then mesoderm, and this will be the endoderm here. That. Okay, that makes sense, everybody? We're running out of time, I'm spinning through this. What phylum? Coleoptera. What's this big dot? Macronucleus, the little dot. Micronucleus, this sort of pale spot over here. Contractile vacuole. This is the oral groove or sinopharynx. Cilia on the outside. What are those? What phylum? The radiolarian. You guys just like this, right? I'm sure you can see this. I can always tell if this is slide. I click here. So. Got the arrow is a local slide. An amoeba. What's this oval structure? Nucleus, pseudopod, ectoplasm, endoplasm, assorted vacuoles. Another trypanosome in the blood, just up close and personal. And what are these? What phylum? That should have been probably the last thing you looked at today. Entoprods. Slide 54. And that's it. So obviously I did not find my